With Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth pairing, choose the safest way to communicate without taking your hands off the wheel. Mobile phones will vary, but most can be connected to the industry-leading Mercedes-Benz Command system. The first step to pairing your mobile device to Mercedes-Benz Command system is to unlock your phone, go into your Bluetooth menu, ensure that it is turned on and discoverable by other devices. The next step in pairing your device to Mercedes-Benz is to make sure your vehicle is turned on and then enter the Command system's telephone menu. Once you've entered the telephone menu in Mercedes-Benz Command system, using the touch controller, swipe to the left, highlight Connect a new device, and then Enter to begin the pairing process. Once you've selected Connect New Device, you can simply begin the search for your device by pushing Enter on the touch control pad. Once your phone comes up, swipe down to the phone, hit Enter a second time. At this point, both the command screen and your phone should be showing the same passcode. If it is, simply tap Pair on your phone, then hit Allow so you can use your voice command system for dialing numbers, and that's it, you are paired. The Mercedes-Benz Command system can also alert you when you receive a text message. If you'd like to do so, simply select MB Bluetooth in your Bluetooth menu, the I button to the right, and enable Show Notifications. For more information on this topic and others, please visit us at Mercedes-Benz of North Haven for a personalized tutorial.